Hi, I'm Jake Bowling here at Bowling RV in Ottumwa, Iowa. And today I'm excited to announce our brand new RV and boat storage out here on the south side of our campus. We have a slew of 14 by 45 foot spots and 16 by 50 foot spots. And you'll also be able to store your RV outside if you don't necessarily want to store it inside. Now this will be protected 24/7 by security. We will have a gate all the way around the facility, and you'll be able to use a key code to get in whenever you want, 24/7, 365. Storage is located just on the south gate of our campus here at Bowling RV. So if you ever need service work, you can also just call us and we come get your RV out of storage and take it right over and work on it. That's the beauty of it, having it right here at Bowling RV. If you want to de-winterize, we can come get it out of your storage unit, take it over to the store, de-winterize it, bring it back, put it right in storage. So that is one nice advantage of having it right here on our campus. So if you want any more information on RV and boat storage here at Bowling RV, go to www.bowlingrvandboatstorage.com. Again, that's www.bowlingrvandboatstorage.com. It'll explain everything in detail and tell you everything you need to know. As always, I'm Jake Bowling here at Bowling RVs in Ottumwa, Iowa, signing off.